Hello all, good morning. A very happy Raksha Bandhan to all of you and happy Avani Avitam. Today is Avani Avitam for us, which is a significant day where the men in the family change their sacred thread called Poonal, or which is also called as Yajnopavitam in Sanskrit. So it is a special day where we cook many items and serve the men post their thread changing. So I've already taken my shower and ready to start my cooking stuff for the day. So let me take you through what all I'm going to make today. My husband has already started his puja for this day. Usually the men go to the temple and do it basis the instructions given by the priest on on this particular day. However, because of corona, they are doing it online. So for the breakfast, I have prepared a simple rava upma, and on the side, I am also grinding a batter for a sweet called appam. So I am doing multiple things simultaneously as we have to cook many things. And after doing the appam and vada, which is the prasad for the god today, I am doing the puja for the god along with the banana. So now my lunch is ready. So it is a small little elaborate menu, which is rice, appam, vada, beans, carrot, thoran or poriyal, some tohel, rasam, sambar, galataparapu, pappadam. This is the lunch menu. So this is traditionally served in a banana leaf. Eating in a banana leaf has its own health benefits. So on the days of festival, try and eat food on banana leaf. It is a small little elaborate lunch menu, and serving in the banana leaf also has a particular order starting from the left side of the leaf to the right side of the leaf. So I am serving the way I know. I am not very sure whether my order is correct here. So if any elders are watching this video, so please forgive me if there is any mistake. So starting from the left, I have served appam, vadai, tohel, poriyal, banana, pappadam. So it is a tradition that we serve the men with different varieties of food post their thread changing ceremony. So on such festival days, we sit on the floor with a mat and the food is served on the banana leaf. So next I'm serving rice. On top of which I am adding some dal with ghee, which is also known as kalataparapu in Tamil. So before we start eating, the men sprinkle water around the banana leaf, which is also called as pranahuti in Sanskrit, which is a way of offering the food first to the supreme power. This is also done post finishing the meal as a way of thanking or offering respects for the food. So first it is the dal rice which is being eaten. The dal rice will be followed by sambar, then followed by rasam, then followed by more korambu if at all it is there, or then it will be finished with a curd rice. So now our lunch is done. So I am packing the stuff for one of my friend's place and also for my in-laws house. So I am packing whatever I have made today, like the appam and the vadai. So since I'm carrying it in a plastic box, I have lined the boxes with the banana leaf, and then I'm packing the stuff so it remains fresh and nice. So that's it. Now I have packed everything whatever needs to be given, and now I'm going to get ready. The time is around 3 p.m. now, so I'll get ready. So now I've got ready, and my son is also ready at the back. Now I need to go to a couple of houses for some haldi kumkum as this is the Shravan month, and I will also be heading to my in-laws place after this. So I'll take you along. Stay tuned. It really felt so nice to get dressed up in a sari after such a long time. So because we have not been getting dressed up, we've been at home in our t-shirts and casual wears all the time. So it's nice. I'll take you along and show you. So now we are on the way to my husband's brother's place. That's where my in-laws stay. So I shall reach there and I'll continue the vlog. So my in-laws place takes around 1 hour from my place, and on this special day of Avani Avtam we are supposed to go and take blessings of the elders, and my son would also meet his cousin and they will do the Raksha Bandhan there. So I will show you after reaching there. So now we have reached here and I'm just opening the main gate. And throughout the way it was raining pretty heavily, and it is raining here as well. So myself and my son are just quickly going inside, and that's my father-in-law who's excited to see his grandson. So that's my mother-in-law, my husband, my father-in-law. So they are having some casual conversation. They're very happy that we have come to meet them. So my mother-in-law also was little skeptical about what I'm recording and what I'm shooting. So I was asking my father-in-law to say something to the viewers, but he was talking some random stuff. So I had to voice over this. So then we had some vada and sambar and some kesari, which is shira, along with some filter coffee there. So my son's cousin is going to tie the Rakhi for him, but he's little hesitant to take that tilak. So he's trying to, run away from there. But we are trying to convince him to take it, and we are explaining him that that's the tradition, that you have to sit and take the tilak on your forehead, and that will be like a good boy. So we are trying to convince him in all possible ways. And she is doing the tilak, and then she will do the tie the rakhi for him. However, he's still not convinced. He's not ready to show his forehead. So finally he did show and he did tie the rakhi. And now the kids are playing and having some fun time. So they are playing some treasure hunt and some sword fight and etc. So we really don't know what they were playing. They were playing multiple things. So it's around 8 p.m. now. So we have started from my in-laws place, and we will go home, have our dinner. So luckily my cook has started coming back, so our dinner is already ready. She has cooked and kept it. So we'll have dinner and sleep. So that's pretty much what I did today. I'll see you all in the next video. Until then, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to Sizzling with Your channel. Good night, sweet dreams, and bye bye.